I think I'm probably right person to answer the question since Farsoon is even it's a Chinese company, but we do have a good business in the United States and Europe. If it turns out that the marketing, I would say first, China today's Chinese market will be more like 10 years ago United States. So we are 10 years behind. Turns out the market itself. Why I'm saying that is China has not really embraced this technology until about 5 or 6 years ago. When I first started up Farsoon in China, I would say 99.9% technical people have not heard about a 3D print. So that's the situation. But on the other hand, China is a fast growing country because once they realize this technology, they embrace this technology very quickly, just like any other technology in China. They are try to catch up. So you can see a good growth in China, about 30 to 50% growth, which is compared with the rest of the world about only 15 to 30%. So that's the Chinese market. But on the other hand, I will say European market is and the American market is much more mature, especially in the application side. In China, the market is still testing the technology. That means lots of companies want to buy one or two this type of machines to try experience with technology, but it really does not make business out of these machines. So they don't make money on the machines. Instead, they do a research or do a testing. But in the United States, I see people are really, like GE, like Boeing, we'll talk about in Europe, like other companies are really make a true business out of it. They are not only used in the prototype, also used in the true manufacture. I talk to many companies in China, say, why you want to go to true manufacturing? I can show you all the properties, everything looks okay. But they are always says, we want to wait until this technology be more solid proven by United States and Europe. So they always say, what Boeing is doing. If Boeing did it, I will do it. So they are not wanting to do the first thing. So that's probably the difference. Turns out the technology machine-wise, I don't think China is behind of rest of the world. We're very close, if not equal. But it turns out the application, turns out the marketing is much more behind. But it's a bigger market, so you still can sell lots of machines.